It's time for Around the Ozarks Wake Up Weather. Here's your host, Abby Dyer.
Good morning, everybody, and happy Friday. We have made it to Friday, the end of the work week, and it is going to be the coolest day that we have seen in quite some time. In fact, many weeks, 70s for highs for many of you on this Friday, but it does come with the rain and the storm chances. Already tracking some rain on the radar this morning, and I think it's going to be a gloomy, at least first half of the day. But you just can't beat that temperature cool down. We are talking high temperatures today in the upper 70s for most. It's been so hot, so muggy lately. This cold front is welcome in terms of the temperature cool down that it's been bringing to us. The headlines today, of course, include that it's going to be kind of cool and rainy out there on this Friday. If you have weekend plans, though, and they're outdoors, don't cancel anything. I really think the weekend is going to shape up to be pretty nice. But today, the cool one, rain, thunderstorms, mostly cloudy skies around today, and a northwest wind developing behind a very slow moving cold front. I want to show you the weather map for the day. There's this frontal boundary that's been kind of draped across the Ozarks, and it's been slowly pushing its way to the south and east. Now, with it comes a chance for the rain and the storms, and that's where we are, at least for the first half of the day. I think the second half of our Friday, we should dry up. And anybody with plans on Friday evening, I think you should be fine to head out and get those in because this is early today. I'm thinking most of the showers and thunderstorms are out there by 3, 4 o'clock, and then we're done for the rest of the day today. We will be enjoying much cooler temperatures, though, not just for the afternoon, but it's really the overnight hours that I'm seeing the cool down here. We can have 50s and 60s in the forecast for overnight lows. So, really comfortable in the forecast. High temperatures in the 70s today, lows tonight falling back to the mid and upper 50s. Camping tomorrow morning, dare I say, it could be chilly on Saturday morning. But then we turn things around, heat right back up, and see seasonal temperatures for the weekend. High temps today, though, generally in the upper 70s. There will be a few spots that make it to the 80s today. And I think even some late day sunshine is possible. Overall, though, a nice 1 day break from the oppressive heat and humidity that does return in the forecast by the middle of next week. So enjoy the cool day. We will take it. Seasonal weekend is in the forecast for you. I have high temps right back to the mid and upper 80s on Saturday. By Sunday, closer to 90 and sunny skies both of those days. In fact, the rain chance that we have out early today, it's going to be the last rain chance that we see for a while, which for some of you is relief because it's been pretty active across the Ozarks. I will show you the latest drought monitor that was issued yesterday. And you can see that we're not out of the dry conditions. In fact, many folks, especially up in our northern counties, central Missouri, still seeing the extreme drought conditions there. But we've done some work with the drought monitor, and I think that the rain that we have today is going to start chipping away at this a little bit more. I expect that we'll see even a bit more improvement when I show you this when it's released next week. Highs today, how about 77 degrees on a Friday? It is going to feel fantastic. Lows tonight will fall back to the upper 50s and low 60s. So nice and cool to start the day on Saturday. We should heat right back up, though. Mid and upper 80s in the forecast. Really a nice weekend for the lakes, the pools, sunshine. Humidity won't be as bad with high temperatures in the upper 80s and low 90s. I've got the sunshine that carries us through the early part of next week, too. And that is going to come with a warm up. In fact, I think again by the middle of next week, we're going to be talking about those heat headlines once again with high temperatures that are likely going to be feeling closer to the triple digits. So, even more reason to enjoy the cool down that I have out there for you today. All right, time to answer yesterday's brain twister question. The question was, what color are the sunsets on the planet Mars? And the options were A, red, B, yellow, C, blue, or D, orange. If you took a guess at this, you might have thought it's the red planet, right? That's Mars. It's A. Actually, the answer is C. They are blue, believe it or not. Red planet has blue sunsets. It has plenty of red colored iron oxide. Therefore, that's why it's called the red planet. But the sunset on Mars is actually blue thanks to its unique atmosphere. So now you know a lot of times our sunsets are actually red here on the blue planet. So kind of interesting. All right, here is your quiz question. This one is going to be for Monday morning. Which animal did not take the very first hot air balloon ride? Which one got kicked out of the basket? Do you think it was a sheep, B, a duck, C, a rooster, or D, a pig? I will have the answer for you Monday morning, bright and early on Around the Ozarks Wake Up Weather podcast. Thank you so much for listening. I sure appreciate you being here. I hope everybody has a fantastic weekend and you are able to enjoy the cooler weather that we have out there for the rest of the day. Enjoy the weekend. I will chat with you on Monday. And if you need weather over the weekend, be sure to head to aroundtheozarks.com. We've got you covered there. Happy Friday, everybody.